We humans have an internal clock, a sophisticated system that keeps our bodies in sync with the world around us. It's called our circadian rhythm, a natural internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. This rhythm tells our bodies when to sleep, wake, and eat, ensuring that we function optimally throughout the day. It even influences our hormone release, affecting everything from our mood to our metabolism. Our circadian rhythm loves routine, thriving on the predictability of daily patterns. It thrives on the predictability of the sunrise and sunset, which act as natural cues to keep our internal clock aligned. However, when we travel across time zones, we disrupt this delicate balance, throwing our internal clock into disarray. Imagine flying from New York to London, a journey that spans several time zones. You leave New York at sunset, but when you arrive in London, it's morning. Your body is still on New York time. Your body wants to sleep, but the sun is shining brightly, signaling that it's time to be awake and active. This is the root of jet lag, a common experience for travelers crossing multiple time zones. Jet lag is more than just feeling tired, it's a physiological disruption that can take days to overcome. It affects our sleep, our hormones, and even our cognitive function, making it difficult to concentrate and perform daily tasks effectively. Jet lag symptoms vary from person to person, and they can be more than just feeling tired. Some people experience mild fatigue, feeling a bit off and sluggish, while others struggle with severe insomnia and daytime sleepiness, making it hard to function normally. The more time zones crossed, the more severe the jet lag tends to be, disrupting your internal clock significantly. Common symptoms include difficulty falling asleep or waking up too early, leaving you feeling unrested. You might also experience headaches, dizziness, and digestive problems, which can make travel even more challenging. These are all signs that your body is struggling to adjust to the new time zone and environment. Jet lag also affects our mood and concentration, making it difficult to enjoy your trip. It's harder to focus on tasks, whether for work or leisure, and we may feel irritable, anxious, or even depressed, impacting our overall travel experience. Our endocrine system relies heavily on our circadian rhythm. When we travel across time zones, our hormone production gets disrupted. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is usually high in the morning and low in the evening. With jet lag, this pattern gets thrown off. This can lead to increased stress, difficulty sleeping, and even weight gain. Other hormones affected include melatonin, which regulates sleep, and insulin, which controls blood sugar levels. These imbalances can have significant impacts on our overall health. Section 4. The brain on jet lag. Jet lag not only disrupts our sleep but also affects our cognitive function. When we cross multiple time zones, our internal body clock or circadian rhythm gets thrown off balance. Our brains rely on a consistent sleep-wake cycle to function optimally. This cycle helps regulate various bodily functions, including hormone release, eating habits, and body temperature. When we experience jet lag, our cognitive abilities take a hit. This disruption can lead to feelings of confusion and disorientation, making it hard to focus on even simple tasks. We may experience difficulty concentrating, remembering things, and making decisions. These cognitive impairments can be particularly challenging for those who need to stay sharp, like business travelers, or those on tight schedules. Our reaction times may also slow down, increasing the likelihood of mistakes or accidents. This can be especially problematic in high-stakes environments. This is particularly important for travelers who need to be alert and focused, such as business travelers or pilots. Their performance can be significantly impacted by the cognitive deficits caused by jet lag. Chronic jet lag, experienced by frequent flyers, can have even more serious consequences for the brain. Over time, the repeated disruption of the circadian rhythm can lead to long-term cognitive issues. Studies suggest links between chronic jet lag and an increased risk of cognitive decline and even neurodegenerative diseases. This makes it crucial to find ways to mitigate the effects of jet lag, especially for those who travel frequently. Section 5. The heart of the matter: jet lag and your cardiovascular system. Believe it or not, jet lag can even impact your heart. Irregular sleep patterns, a hallmark of jet lag, can disrupt your blood pressure regulation. This can lead to spikes in blood pressure, especially in those already predisposed to hypertension. Furthermore, the stress of travel and the constant adjustment to new environments can put additional strain on your cardiovascular system. It's important to be mindful of these risks, especially if you have pre-existing heart conditions. Section 6. Immunity takes a hit. Finally, let's talk about how jet lag affects our immune system. Sleep is crucial for a robust immune response. When we're sleep deprived, our body produces less of the infection-fighting cells it needs. Combined with the stress of travel, jet lag can weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to colds, flus, and other infections. This is why it's essential to prioritize sleep and manage stress while traveling. Please subscribe now to join our community. Give a thumb to encourage us to bring more interesting, challenging, and high-quality videos to everyone. Our channel, MedSign Health 360, has many more videos to bring the crucial latest and systemic medical and health knowledge with a simple approach to everyone for better health and a better life. We value your feedback, so share your thoughts in the comments below.